Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your cozy corner of natural skincare, where we glow naturally from head to toe, lips included. Now, let me ask you something. Do your lips ever feel dry, pale, or just plain lifeless? Like, no matter how much lip balm you use, they stay dull and flaky. I see you. And in today's video, we're talking all about dry, pale lips. What causes them, how to take care of them, and my top natural scrubs to revive that healthy, juicy glow. And yes, I'll also share a few easy mistakes to avoid if you want soft, pink lips all year round. So grab your favorite tea, sit back, and let's treat our lips the love they deserve. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell. I post natural DIYs every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's get glowing! Let's start with the why. Why do our lips even get dry and pale in the first place? Here are the main culprits. Lack of hydration. Lips don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin, so they dry out fast. Weather. Wind, sun, and dry air can strip moisture. Licking your lips. It might feel soothing, but it actually makes them worse. Dead skin buildup. If you don't exfoliate, lip balm can't even absorb properly. Iron deficiency. Yep. Pale lips can be a sign you're low on iron. Dehydration and diet. Not drinking enough water or lacking vitamin B2 can also affect your lip color. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I've got easy natural solutions you can start today. Now that we know the cause, let's talk about care. Number 1, hydrate from the inside. Drink water, herbal teas, or even coconut water. Your lips will thank you. Number 2, avoid harsh lip products. No drying matte lipsticks or menthol-based balms. Go for nourishing ones. Think shea butter or cocoa butter. Number 3, use a humidifier. If you live in Australia like I do, indoor heating in winter can dry your lips out fast. Humidifiers help restore moisture in the air. Number 4, never peel flaky lips. Exfoliate gently instead, and I'll show you how in a second. Number 5, follow up with natural balm or oil. Argan oil is my Moroccan fave, or a homemade balm using beeswax and rosehip oil. Now, let's get to our DIYs. This one is my favorite for instantly brightening pale lips. You'll need 1 teaspoon of sugar, brown or white, a few drops of olive oil, and a few drops of beetroot juice, fresh or powder mixed with water. Mix the ingredients in a tiny ball, gently massage onto your lips in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, leave it on like a lip mask for another 5 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and apply your favorite balm. Sugar exfoliates dead skin, olive oil softens and nourishes, while beetroot gives your lips a natural tint and boosts blood flow for that rosy flush. Pro tip: you can also store the extra in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Now, this one's for those who want soft and slightly fuller lips. You'll need 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of olive oil, plus cinnamon. Mix everything until it becomes a sticky scrub. Massage it gently onto your lips. Don't overdo it. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes only, then wipe off and follow with a balm. Cinnamon increases blood circulation, giving you a temporary plump. Honey soothes and hydrates, and even heals cracked lips. Let's quickly go through a few bonus tips and common mistakes. Don't over-scrub. Twice a week is more than enough. Always moisturize after exfoliating. I love argan oil or cocoa butter in winter. Don't apply scrubs on cracked or bleeding lips. Let them heal first. Try using aloe vera gel overnight if your lips are very irritated. Avoid licking your lips. It makes dryness worse. And here's the little trick I use. Before bed, I put on a thick layer of lip balm and cover it with a cling wrap for 10 minutes. Like a mini lip mask. Works wonders in winter. And there you have it, Bilaras, your complete guide to healing dry, pale lips the natural way. It's wild to think how something as small as lip care can totally change how you feel. More confident, more radiant, more you. Whether you try the beetroot scrub for a natural tint or the cinnamon one for that little plump, the key is showing up for yourself. Because here at Bilara, we don't chase perfection, we chase consistency, calm, and confidence, one self-care moment at a time. And hey, if you've ever had a dry lips disaster, I've had plenty. Share it in the comments. Let's laugh, learn, and glow together. Don't forget, like this video if you learned something new, share it with your bestie who's always chewing their lips, and hit subscribe for more DIY skincare every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. See you soon, Bilaras. Until then, stay soft, stay glowing, and stay kind to yourself. Bye.